Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Minimalist 5% Niacinamide Serum with hyaluronic acid 1%. The quantity is 30 ml. The price is 599 rupees. Bought this from Nykaa few years ago. I have just empty bottle. This is non-sponsored video. This product is available on Nykaa, Minimalist website and on other websites too. Let's see how to use this. Apply after cleansing 2-3 drops all over the face. You can skip under eye area and mouth area if you have highly sensitive skin. You can use in AM and PM routine. Apply this after toner or you can skip the toner. Follow with the moisturizer. Please do a patch test first. What it claims: it nourishes and hydrates as well as repairs and soothes the sensitive skin. Ideal for people with dry sensitive skin and those who have find the niacinamide 10% a little bit strong. It reduces the dark spots and blemishes. Even in the 2 weeks you can see the difference. It gives a clear and even skin tone, reduces pores. For all skin types it's useful. Free from fragrance, silicones, sulfates, parabens and essential oils, as well as free from dyes, non-comedogenic, oil-free and hypoallergenic. pH is in between 5.5 to 6.5. Made in India product. Here is my review. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. This serum suits me well. No irritation, no tingling, etc. But not that much effective as compared to the 10% one. So I skip this and go with 10%. If you are having extremely sensitive skin, then you can use this one before going with the higher percentage. This one unable to fade my stubborn dark spots, but I like this too. My skin tolerate 10%, so I will definitely go with that. It was good product, no complaints, and that's my review. Please do let me know your thoughts. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.